Tesla Model 3 headlights can experience issues where they fail to activate or remain stuck in the on position. These problems stem from a mix of hardware quirks, software glitches, and user settings, particularly in the adaptive lighting system. Traditional vehicles use bulbs and fuses, while Tesla Model 3 employs LED arrays controlled by electronics. This comparison shows conventional headlights versus Tesla's matrix LED system with adaptive features. We'll explore troubleshooting LED modules, solid-state circuitry, and auto light settings for these issues. Due to Tesla's over-the-air software updates, most headlight issues are now software-related and can be fixed remotely. Tesla Model 3 headlights feature advanced LED arrays with hundreds of individual LEDs grouped into modules, controlled by the vehicle's body control module. Unlike traditional vehicles with replaceable bulbs, Tesla's design integrates these LEDs into sealed modules. As shown in this comparison, Tesla's LED matrix system offers superior illumination with adaptive beam patterns that adjust to driving conditions. The LED modules incorporate specialized drivers and integrated cooling systems. If a module fails, you'll notice uneven brightness or complete lack of illumination, often due to thermal stress from overheating or manufacturing defects. Because of the intricate design and integration with the vehicle's electronics, LED module replacements are complex and typically require professional service from Tesla technicians. Tesla vehicles replace traditional fuses with solid-state relays and fuses integrated into the body control module, or BCM. These electronic components handle power distribution more efficiently than mechanical fuses. A common issue like headlights stuck in the on position often stems from a short circuit within these solid-state relays. This can be caused by software glitches, electrical surges, or voltage spikes in the vehicle's system. To diagnose these issues, technicians access Tesla's diagnostic codes through an OBD2 scanner or the vehicle's service mode. These codes reveal specific faults in the BCM circuitry. However, repairs involving solid-state components require professional expertise to avoid further damage. Start with a power cycle. Hold the brake and shift to park for 30 seconds to reset the vehicle's systems. Next, check for software updates to apply the latest fixes. Inspect and clean the ambient light sensors to ensure accurate readings. Run the built-in diagnostics, which may require service mode for deeper checks. These steps can resolve many common headlight problems. For more in-depth troubleshooting, it's best to use Tesla's service center or certified technicians. Experts from organizations like AAA and automotive analysts emphasize software updates as the first line of defense for Tesla Model 3 headlight issues. Electric vehicle specialists estimate that 70% of headlight issues are remotely resolvable through over-the-air updates, reducing the need for physical repairs. Future trends point to AI-driven diagnostics and fully autonomous lighting systems by 2030, where headlights self-diagnose and repair via micro-updates. Proactive maintenance, such as annual sensor checks, can prevent 80% of headlight problems according to expert recommendations. Integrated vehicle health monitoring is on the horizon, with Tesla's app and systems alerting owners to potential faults before they escalate.